Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today we'll do a really fast one as well. So yesterday I showed you the hybrid cucumber seeds had germinated, and that was in only 2 days. And so today we're going to plant them, and you can see that there's quite a bit of growth happening here just from yesterday. And today, by the way, is April the 16th. Yeah, you can see from yesterday how much activity has happened with these roots. I mean, look at this. They've got to be twice the size since yesterday. This little one right here, a little bit slow, but check them all out. So it was a good thing, because yet in yesterday's video I said I would plant them either last night or today, and I thought I would just do it on camera. So I have a little bit of garden potting soil here, and what I did to moisten all of the soil, I just had a little bucket, and then I just took all of these and just dropped them right in there and just let them soak all of the water up. And so the only thing that's in here is water right now. So you want to be really careful with your seeds. Oh, these are going to be nice. And then I'm just going to drop them right down in here, just like that. I want to make sure they go down far enough. That looks good. These seeds, by the way, you don't need to do the paper towel trick, because you'll have really good success with them. I do not want to break that root. You gotta just take your time. There we go. And I did start off a bunch more of these the day after I started these. Because I realized our weather is all of a sudden starting to change for the better, and I thought I just better get ahead of the season this year and get a few more of these going, because I do want to have a lot of plants. Last year I had 6 plants, and I want to have at least 10 plants this year. Cucumbers off of these are pretty amazing. I really love them. I'll just show you what they are again in case you didn't watch any of the other videos. I'll just put them up here. I'll just hold those there so you can see them. So these are hybrid. So every flower is guaranteed to actually turn into a cucumber. There we go. So that's really it for this video. I just want to make sure that I cover all of these up. See, and at this point, these can get some sunlight. You know, if you live in an area where you want to get them out in the sun, it's a good thing, because as soon as you see that the plant is actually popping out of those seeds, it's ready to go. So at this point, you do not want to keep these in the dark, because you don't want them getting leggy, because right now they're already looking for sunlight. So I will get these underneath my grow lamps right after I stop filming here. So today is day 3 of germination, and I will keep you updated on these seeds and the progress. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.